doggy Bailey is. So cute. I love you. I love him. He's so handsome. Mwah. I love you. And yeah. Bane, you are so handsome. If I didn't live where I live, I wouldn't have had him. So I'm happy I live here, where I live. Because then we wouldn't have rescued him. And I wouldn't have had my Bane. That's why I'm staying where I live. Probably forever, maybe, I don't know. But yeah. I love you. He's 8 gem. Yeah. He is so handsome though. When he has a flash in his eye, it kind of looks cute. Like how his eyes look. Bane, don't do that on camera. No, don't do that on camera. Good boy. Good boy. No. Oh, but you can itch. If you don't do what you usually do on camera, I'll give you a treat, okay? He actually does really well. I trained him. Yeah, I trained him. That's me. And yeah. What do you expect? Not for me to not train my dog. Mine. He's actually just mine. I don't even share him. He's mine. That's why he acts. That's why he loves me so much. Because how much we spend time together. I'm an owner. Hi. I love that face that he does. Ben, do you have fleas again? Do you have fleas? I gotta see if he has fleas. Because he barely itches like that. Only if he, oh my gosh, you guys are gonna face me on it. Turn off the light. He only itches like that if he has fleas. And he barely gets fleas, so I don't know how he got it because he barely goes around different dogs. Seriously, how did he get fleas? I have a question for you guys. Can you guys comment down below how to get rid of fleas easy for dogs? Like really easy. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Bane. Hey, Bubba's. I might actually go to the trampoline park with my friend, you guys. And I'll make a YouTube video that I will try. I don't know, maybe like Saturday, they said. So don't you worry, say what you need to say. This is your chapter. I love every girl's a supergirl. Happy ever after. Live every day that way. We look up for each other, listen up to one another. It's a real kind of power and we're making it ours. Shout out, got something to say, yeah. We save that day every day. Oh, hey. Every girl's a supergirl, and Bane's a superboy. I love you, Bane. I love you. I like that he has, it looks cute on him that he has some white down on his chest. Sometimes it's kind of like a, bow tie. It feels like it just goes all the way down, kind of towards his belly and stuff. And yeah.